welcome back to my channel. I actually want to stop by quick because I just upload the video for you on Monday on how to make this beautiful cacao dairy powder top. And I just realized because someone in our crochet tribe mentioned that why the bra cup of this cacao in this beige color lay different than the cacao dairy in brown one, and then usually in usual cup that I make for BFF bra and many other design that use this style of bra cup. And then I look through it and then like, oh my god, I position in the wrong way, but still it still support. As you can see, it still looks super nice on me, and it's gonna work if you follow exactly the step of how to make this cacao dairy top. But I feel like I need to explain to you why it look different because it's my fault. I put it in the wrong way. I just like why this even happened, because I was like mentioned a couple times in the video to you that you have to make sure to put it in the right way, and I did it in the wrong way. But maybe it's meant to be that you can do it this way as well. It's no right or wrong, in the end it's just different. So I feel like I have to let you know. If you already make it and follow everything in the video on Monday, fine, it's gonna fit you and it's gonna look perfect on you. But just want to show you side by side. This one is the one that I make the tutorial for you on Monday, and this one is a ring pattern of the first one I designed it in 2019.
Oh yeah, you know I miss you, baby. You know I miss you.
You can see just on the right cup, actually in tutorial on the right cup I just turned in the wrong way, because the cup should stay in the same way like in the dark brown one, this cacao one. But like I said, if you already did it in the one on Monday, the tutorial version is also fine, but just to see the difference. So yeah, this is like, I need to say this to you. And another thing, my team and I, we are announcing for Flower of Life How to Top testing round. Like, we are looking for tester, and if you want to join our testing team, our testing party, you are welcome. I put the link under this video. We have a group called Crochet Tribe Maya Luna Corazon group on Facebook, and we have another group also, but let me share with you about this Crochet Tribe for a minute. Because this top Flower of Life how to top, I designed this in 2017, and I also have video tutorial here on my channel. I put the link also for you if you want to make it now. But I feel like it is a time to make a ring pattern, because I got so many requests from many of you who love to read the pattern rather than video. So we decided to make a ring pattern. So Samita, who is my wing woman, one of my wing women, she helped me to write the pattern out of my video, and now the pattern is ready. We are looking for a tester who can make size extra large and also large. If you want to make large and you're not sure how to do it because the video tutorial didn't mention on how to do that, now is opportunity for you to come and join us in our testing team so that you can learn from me and also from my team how to make it fit you. Every time we host the testing party, the tester learns so much. I have to say this to you because there are many testers who have been with us for a couple years and they start to write their own pattern, because the way to learn to design is to learn from those who you admire. You know what I mean? Like, you can learn from the book, you can learn from the research how to design, but how to actually create the pattern and run the testing group, all these things you will learn in the process of being in the testing group with us. I don't mean that you have to have this desire to become a design to join our team. No, you don't have to have all of that. You only need to have the feeling of wanting to join and co-creating something beautiful together. And you are welcome to join us. I would love to get to know you. I would love to help you to create this piece to fit your body. My way of teaching is to teach you how to measure your body, how to work with tape measurement, how to learn about bra cup size, learn about little tips and you know tricks along the way. I don't like to say the word tricks. It's not a trick, like learn the tips and the curves and turn little details in this crochet journey, because even myself, that many of you thought that I know so much, I still feel like I have so much to learn. And it's true, I have so much to learn. This crochet journey is like universe to me. It's never end. Every time I thought that I know how to make it, and then again I decide something else and I learn something new again. How to um, decrease in a way that is not obvious. I always find something new along the journey of making it. So when you are part of our team, or even just be part of our crochet tribe, Maya Luna Corazon group, you will learn so much from seeing other people work. And from being part in the group, you will slowly learn to love your body more and more, because you see that everyone are so open and share their opinion, and sometimes even share the part that they don't share anywhere else. Because this group, we create this sacred, I like to say sacred because for me it's sacred, for the people, the women come together and open their heart and be open to share their feeling, their emotion. For me, this is a sacred space, and I always want to keep this space safe for us all to share our feeling. Many times we talk about our body, and many of us still struggle in this body shame and many other things, that I feel like it's so important that we come together and let go of this old belief that the beauty should be in a certain category and certain way. And for that, my way of creating the pattern is different now. I want to create a pattern that not for only one side or two sides or three sides. I want to create a pattern that is for all sizes. And for that, I always happy to have the goddess who have extra large or 2x 3x to be part of our journey and our process of creating beautiful things together. So I want to invite you to join us. But if you feel like, oh, I am a designer and I want to share my own work, can I share in your group? Actually, I have another group that for you to share your work, and we create this beautiful daily theme to post, like Sunday self love and Monday moose Monday, Tuesday tell your friend, whip Wednesday, throwback Thursday, um what is Friday? Feel Good Friday, Serendipity Saturday. Serendipity is very hard word for me to pronounce. So, for example, this group is called Crochet Conscious Growing Together. So, you are welcome to share your work. Just go there and read through this each day of how to post, and you will learn also how to give the space to other people and how to take the space for yourself. I think it's so important to learn to give and take in a balanced way. So we have two groups for you to explore, to share, to learn, and to give and receive. I would love to see you there. And another thing that I'm so excited to let you know, as you already see, I produce more video tutorial, and I also post on my Instagram that I am going to create more video tutorial to share with you, because I have an amazing team now who help me with my testing round, with my pattern. So I have all the time now to start to make video tutorial from the design from 2018. I think 2017 I make almost all of my design already into tutorial, including this one. Actually, if you are like, what are you wearing, so I just want to show you quick. This is Foxy Legs. I think this is like my second video tutorial that I create in 2017. So yeah, this one is already on my channel, but I have so much more. I have so many designs that I have not yet make a video tutorial. And now my intention is to make the video tutorial of the previous design for you, and the new design we're going to do a written pattern, and after a month or so or 2 months we're going to also share the video tutorial with you. So this way is good in a circulating way, so those people who cannot afford to buy the written pattern, you still can learn from me, and still can make this beautiful thing, just maybe come out a little bit later. I hope you don't mind. And for those who are ready to support with the written pattern, I want you to know that because of you I am able to make a free tutorial to share with those who cannot support. And I also want to shout out to my patrons who are actually support me each month, that I have this time to create more content to share on my YouTube channel. I want to say thank you so much for not just supporting me. Actually, you are supporting the whole community. You are supporting the YouTube family. Those who cannot actually buy the pattern yet, they can watch the video tutorial. And also the big shout out to my team. I don't know what to do without them. If you want to get to know them, you can join us in our crochet tribe, Maya Luna Corazon, and you will see my team. We call them Glow, Glorious Lady of Woo. Yeah, amazing, right? So my friend, join us to test this pattern, and also to see the bodysuit. I don't know if you see the bodysuit yet, but the pattern is coming out this month. It's gonna be the pattern of the month for patrons and for gold membership. I didn't mention about gold membership so much anymore because we are ending it this year, and we concentrate this year only for patrons, for those who want to become my members and get the written pattern monthly. You can join patrons and you will receive also the podcast. I record 2 podcasts a month. You can hear the podcast, behind the scene video, and also secret collaboration. I have a BBS course like build your business from soul level. I also share on my Patreon, and I'm going to share this for free. Like, I didn't charge any extra for my Patreon to get this course, which is going to launch in the next month, like next couple months. I'm going to launch this course, but now I give it for free for those who are my patrons in DK weight level. So yeah, so many things that's going on, and I am so grateful because of you. I am here. So if you want to become my patron, there's a link under this video as well. And if you have any question, any request about the upcoming video, the next video tutorial that coming your way is this one. Let me know if you're excited. This is a high waist bikini bottom. This is Athena bikini bottom. I have a set. I also have a bikini top, but next Wednesday I'm going to make the bottom. And don't you worry, I'm going to teach you how to make it to fit you. If you are like, I know, Maya, you're gonna make small size again. Yes, I make small size, but I'm gonna teach you how to make it to fit you no matter what size you are. The only thing that you have to take it with you beside yarn and hook is the tape measurement, because you're gonna learn a designing class and you're gonna love it, because you're not just gonna learn how to crochet, but you're gonna learn how to design the crochet piece as well. Let me know if you have any question, and if you're new here, my friend, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give a thumb up if you like this video, because you help this channel a lot by subscribe and give it a thumb up, and you help many other people who have not yet discovered our crochet tribe just yet. I see you next Wednesday. Bye bye.